Welcome to Vietnam, a land of stunning landscapes, delicious street food, and endless adventures. From buzzing cities to peaceful rice fields, every corner is picture perfect. And if you're traveling with friends, southern Vietnam is where the fun really begins. Dive into the energy of Ho Chi Minh City, cruise the floating markets of Mekong, and end the trip on Phu Quoc's golden beaches. So, in this video, we will take you through the top things to do and see in each of these amazing destinations. So, sit back, relax, and let's start exploring southern Vietnam together. So, let's start with Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam's vibrant southern heart where history, culture, and modern energy collide. If you're planning your trip, here are some must to do experiences that will make your journey unforgettable. First, start with the iconic Ben Thanh Market. It's not just a market, it's an explosion of colors, flavors, and local life. From souvenirs to street food, this is a perfect spot to dive straight into the city's hustle and bustle. Next, step back in the time at the War Remnants Museum and the Reunification Palace. These landmarks give you powerful insight into Vietnam's history and resilience. For a dose of French colonial charm, don't miss the Notre Dame Cathedral and the Central Post Office, both stunning architectural gems right in the heart of the city. Of course, no visit is complete without tasting the food. So, whether it's a steaming bowl of pho, crunchy banh mi, or sizzling side snacks, Ho Chi Minh is heaven for food lovers. Be sure to join a street food tour at night. It's an adventure for your taste. And when the sun sets, Ho Chi Minh does not sleep. Head up to one of the city's rooftop bars for breathtaking skyline views or wander through Vieux Vien Street if you are up for nightlife and endless energy. If you are looking for the cafes and clubs to explore, you'll find it in the link below. One of the best experiences to enjoy with friends in Ho Chi Minh City is the Saigon River Cruise. As the boat sails along the river, you get to see the city skyline light up with sparkling skyscrapers, colonial buildings, and bustling riverside life. Most cruises include live music, traditional dance performances, and a buffet dinner with Vietnamese and international dishes. You can choose a luxury cruise for a more elegant night out or a party style boat with DJs and drinks as per your preference and if you are in the mood to dance. Moving to our second destination, that is Mekong Delta. If you are looking for something different to do in this city, take a half-day trip to Mekong Delta or explore the Cu Chi tunnels, an incredible underground network that tells the story of Vietnam's wartime history. From historic sites to delicious bites, from peaceful pagodas to buzzing markets, Ho Chi Minh City has it all. So pack your bags, bring your curiosity, and get ready to experience a city that never fails to surprise. Moving on to another beautiful city in southern Vietnam, that is Can Tho. It is located right in the heart of Mekong Delta, and it's famous for its rivers, canals, and floating markets rather than the beaches or islands. There is a Kai Rang floating market, which is most famous market in Mekong Delta. It sells fruits, noodles, and coffee right on the water. And you can visit it early in the morning around 5 to 7 a.m. for the best experience. You can also do boat trips on Mekong canals. You can visit Binh Thuy Ancient House. You can also go to Can Tho Night Market, which is again famous for its street food, souvenirs, and local snacks. You can visit and see fruit orchards and rice fields, and there are some pagodas and temples as well if you want to visit some peaceful spots for a cultural break. So now we are moving on to the next attraction, that is Phu Quoc Island, Vietnam's ultimate tropical escape and the perfect destination if you're traveling with friends. Picture this: crystal clear water, soft white sand, palm trees swaying in the breeze, and endless adventures awaiting for you. Start your day at Sao Beach, or also known as Long Beach, where you can swim, relax, or just goof around with your friends while sipping fresh coconuts. If you are looking for something exciting, head straight to Win Wonders theme park and Win Pole Safari. Trust me, the roller coasters, water rides, and exotic animals will bring out the child in everyone. And here is something you cannot miss: the world's longest oversea cable car to Hon Thom Island. Imagine floating above the ocean, surrounded by emerald islands and fishing boats below. It's pure magic. Or, if you are a nature lover, trek through Phuket National Park, discover hidden waterfalls, and breathe in the wild jungle air. When the sun sets, the fun does not stop, even in the Phuket Island. Walk through the Phuket night market, try delicious seafood there. You can shop for souvenirs and enjoy the lively street vibe. If you're up for it, end the night at a beach club where you'll get music, you can dance, and you can also laugh under the stars. And how much time do we need to spend here? Around 3 to 4 days is perfect for friends. Enough to chill, explore, party, and still leave with memories that last forever. So Phuket is not just going to be a trip, it's going to be an experience for you. And with your friends by your side, every moment here is going to be unforgettable. So if you had fun watching, don't forget to hit like, smash that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss out.